This video will demonstrate how to create and retrieve notes using the multiple category sets function in NoteScribe Premium. The multiple category sets allows for easier cross-referencing of notes, as you can assign individual notes to 3 distinct sets, each containing 4 different levels. So let's go ahead and pull up our edit note window and put some notes in so we can start defining them by category. And we're going to enter some notes. And as you can see, the topic is about consciousness. Consciousness spans across quite a few different subjects, and what we're going to use in our category sets, which we have, as you can see, a category set 1, category set 2, and category set 3. Today we're going to create a category set 1 and a category set 2 using psychology and philosophy, which both study consciousness pretty in depth. So let's go ahead and create a category set 1. We're going to use psychology first. And we're going to use our level 1 psychology, which we've previously created. We could scroll down and select that, or we could type it in if we didn't have that. Next, we're going to create a level 2 of neuroscience to be even more specific about the topic that covers it in psychology. And next, we're going to be specific about what kind of note it is. It's about consciousness. So you can see that we have a typical category tree that you would find in NoteScribe Basic, but with NoteScribe Premium we can take it yet another step and create a second set of categories. So let's click on the Category Set 2 tab, and this time let's create a level 1 for philosophy. And next let's create a level 2 of Descartes, who studied consciousness rather in depth in his day. And once again, for level 3, we're going to use consciousness to be specific about it. And now you can see we have 2 separate category trees created for this one note. So you'll be able to study that it was a big concept in philosophy and in psychology, or is a big concept in philosophy and psychology still. So let's go ahead and save this, and I'm going to show you how to retrieve using the philosophy and psychology categories. So let's go ahead and clear this so we can retrieve it using the categories sets. And if we go down to the categories tab, which we already have selected, and let's go to philosophy and down to Descartes. And if we select consciousness, you'll notice that the categories are now open in the psychology tree as well. So if we scroll down, we see the neuroscience, and then scroll down a little further, you can see that the consciousness one is also highlighted within psychology. So this will help with cross-referencing your topics and your subjects. So as you can see, consciousness once again is a big topic in philosophy and in psychology. So it'll help you in retrieving your notes later on as far as being able to look in a couple of different places. If you know consciousness is studied in psychology, maybe you forgot that it was studied in philosophy as well. This will highlight it and it'll help you in cross-referencing.